Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use referral code on Shein. So first things first is open the app, and then here at their homepage, you can see on the down right corner, you can see me. Go ahead and click on it. And then from here on the third category, you can see more services. And then you can see here share and earn. Go ahead and click on share and earn. And then from here, you can have your referral code. And by giving this to other people, you will earn a rewards and discounts. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.